Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of Moto E13 smartphone. So now quickly open it up and start unboxing. So here we get the phone pre-applied back case. Here you can see. Okay, back case is pre-applied. Keep this aside. And guys, here's the font itself. It is in cosmic black color, the aurora green color and creamy white color is also available. Okay, we come to the font later, and here you can see slim, light, stylish, Dolby Atmos 6.5 inches HD plus display and long lasting 5000 mAh battery. We come to the font later. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So here we get the SIM ejector pin and reading manuals, and here we get the USB type A to type C cable, and this is the 10-watt charger you get in the box. So that's all we get. Keep this aside and come to the phone. So here's the phone itself. So you can see the phone. If we talk about the weight is 179.5 gram and thickness of this phone is 8.47 mm. And if we talk about the build, it has glass front, plastic frame and plastic back. So guys, if we talk about the design, you can see it has slim and stylish design, beautifully crafted with P52 water repellent design. It has premium design, you can see. Yep. Okay, and if we talk about its physical overview, in top you can see Dolby Atmos with 3.5 mm headphone jack, and on this side we get the volume up and down key and power on off key. On bottom we get the main speaker grill, USB type C port and main microphone, and on this side we get the SIM tray. So quickly eject it. So it has triple card slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card up to 1 TB. Okay, and on back here you can see it has 13 megapixel camera over there with LED flash. You can see AI camera, and here we have branding of Moto. And on front it has 6.5 inches HD plus IPS LCD display, has a aspect ratio of 20:9, and here we have the 5 megapixel front camera. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. So here I have set up the device, and this is the main screen of Moto E13 smartphone. If we slide from bottom we get the app drawer, and if we slide from top we get the notification center. As you can see guys, the UI of the smartphone is running really smooth. Here you can see the UI of the smartphone is running really smooth, no doubt. And if we talk about the processor, it has UNISOC T606 12nm octa-core processor. And if we talk about the software, it runs on latest Android 13 Go edition. Okay, if we talk about its camera, so here are some shots I took with this smartphone. And if we talk about its face unlock performance, so quickly check this out. I look at the phone and it unlock itself. I'm not seeing, I see and it unlock itself. I'm not seeing, I see and it unlock itself. So guys, face unlock performance is really fast and responsive. So guys, this is the unboxing of Moto E13 smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.